Today we are going to discuss half range Fourier series. So what is meant by half range Fourier series? First we will discuss what is meant by half range Fourier series. So here previously we did the problems on Fourier series in the interval 0 to 2 pi, minus pi to pi. Okay, 0 to 2 pi minus pi to pi. So its period is 2 pi. Now we are going to discuss the problems in the interval 0 to pi. Sometimes you require to solve the problems in the interval 0 to pi. So those problems are called the half range Fourier series. So here the period is 2 pi. Here the period is pi. So half of the 2 pi. Therefore it is called as the half range Fourier series. Okay, this half range Fourier series has been, you come across with the sine series and cosine series. Sine series and cosine series. So you have to remember only few points concerned about sine series and cosine series. So in cosine series, the terms exist will be a0 and an. So these two terms will exist and the bn term will be 0. Okay, in the sine series, a0 is equal to 0 and an is equal to 0. Only bn term will exist. Bn term will exist. So this is the basic concept regarding the half range sine series and half range cosine series. So here what is the formula for a0 for cosine series means, so only simple change in the previous formula what you have learned. There you come across with a0 is equal to 1 by pi into something. Here you have to write 2 by pi into integral 0 to pi f of x into dx. Okay, so here an is equal to 2 by pi into integral 0 to pi into f of x cos nx dx. Okay, here also bn. So for the bn, what is the formula means, 2 by pi into integral 0 to pi into f of x sin nx dx. So this is the formula. So this is the bn formula. So you have to remember these formulas. So basic difference between the previous formulas and this one is nothing but, there you come across with the 1 by pi, here you come across with the 2 by pi. Okay, 2 by pi. So you just remember these formulas, you can solve the problems very easily in half range Fourier series. So first we will discuss one problem. So that is equal to f of x is equal to cos x in the interval 0 to pi. Okay, f of x is equal to cos x. So first problem, f of x is equal to, sorry, x, not cos x, f of x is equal to x. So the interval is 0 to pi. So find, first question, half range sine series, half range sine series, comma cosine series, cosine series. So first we will discuss sine series. Let us consider sine series. So half range for sine series, what the term will exist, bn term only exist. That means a0 is equal to 0 and an is equal to 0. An is equal to 0. So what you left with is bn is equal to term only exists. Bn is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. Okay, 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. So bn is equal to, we have to find out the value. Bn is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x is how much? X sin nx dx, that is equal to 2 by pi into, so integration of x sin nx, x into sin nx integration minus cos nx by n minus x differentiation is 1 into again cos nx integration, so sin nx by n square between the limits 0 to pi, so that is nothing but equal to 2 by pi into, okay, so minus pi cos n pi minus pi cos n pi by n minus into minus plus sin n pi by n square minus, so this term will be 0. If you substitute in sin nx, you are going to get this term also 0. So that is nothing but equal to 2 by pi into minus pi into cos n pi means minus 1 whole power n by n plus sin n pi means 0. So you left with this term only. The pi will get cancelled, so you left with 2 into minus 2 into minus 1 power n by n. So this is nothing but 2 into minus 1 whole power n plus 1 by n, minus 1 whole power n plus 1 by n. Okay, so then what is the half range sine series? So f of x is equal to a naught a n is equal to 0. Therefore a naught by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity b n sin nx. So that is nothing but, that is equal to a naught by 2, so 0, a n also 0, therefore you left with the only term bn. So bn is equal to how much? 2 into minus 1 whole power n plus 1 by n, bn term, into sin nx. So this term we left with. This is the Fourier series, half range Fourier series. Okay, similarly we have to find out half range cosine series. Okay, for the same problem f of x is equal to x, we have to find out the half range cosine series. So in cosine series, a naught is equal to, what is the formula? 2 by pi into integral 0 to pi f of x dx. an formula is equal to what? An is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into cos nx dx. So for cosine series, bn is equal to 0. Okay, so second step, a naught is equal to 2 by pi into integral 0 to pi f of x is x dx, that is nothing but 2 by pi into x square by 2 between the limits 0 to pi, that is equal to 2 by pi into pi square by 2. So pi left with 1 pi in the numerator, that is equal to pi is the a naught value. So an is equal to 2 by pi into integral 0 to pi f of x is x cos nx dx. Okay, that is equal to 2 by pi into x cos nx integration x into sin nx by n minus x differentiation is 1 and sin nx integration is minus cos nx by n square between the limit 0 to pi. So that is nothing but equal to 2 by pi into, if you substitute pi, so pi sin n pi by n minus into minus plus cos n pi by n square minus 0 into something is 0, so minus into minus plus, so cos 0 means 1 by n square. Okay, this you left with, that is equal to 2 by pi into sin n pi is equal to 0, first term will vanish, cos n pi is equal to minus 1 power n by n square minus into plus minus 1 by n square. So what you left with is 2 by n square pi into minus 1 whole power n minus 1. 2 by n square pi into minus 1 whole power n minus 1. So an is equal to, if n is even, let us consider, if n is even, so minus 1 power 2 means plus 1, 1 minus 1, 0 into something 0, an is equal to 0. So if n is odd, what happens? If n is odd, what happens? An is equal to, let us consider n is equal to 3, minus 1 whole power 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 into plus 2 minus 4 by n square pi. An is equal to, so if n is even, an is equal to 0, if n is odd, minus 4 by n square pi. So therefore Fourier series f of x is equal to a naught by 2, a naught is equal to pi by 2 plus sigma, an values exist for n is odd only, therefore you consider n is equal to 1, 3, 5 so on up to infinity. So mine an value minus 4 by n square pi into cos nx. Okay, so this is the Fourier cosine series for the function f of x is equal to x. So with that one, so this is the basic small problem in the half range Fourier series. Okay,